I had no experience, but just finessing it, man. Like, this is how I want my house clean or establishment clean. And they just believed in me, man.
That's what's up, man. So now, once you got the contracts, like, how did you know how to close the deal? You know what I mean? Like, how did you close the deal on those contracts? How do you know what to do?
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids on property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Now, I know you got your starter kit in like the end of July, and now here we are with like middle of September. So, what we about maybe a month and a half later, and how many accounts do you have now?
I have 6 accounts. I grossed over $3,669 since August 5th.
Wow. See, I wasn't even gonna ask you about the income. Some people be sensitive about that. So I appreciate you being transparent and sharing that for us. That's what's up, man. You killing it.
Yeah, man. I mean, it was kind of like a movie, honestly. I got my logo made on Fiverr, cost me $20. Went to Ross and got a $10 shirt, and just made to make it look presentable. And then with your CBN call center, the first contract I got, I actually gave it to a subcontractor because I didn't have the manpower. And in return with that, the guy gave me 2 contracts so he could work on it. And then I took the day porter position and they did the other cleaning. So we kind of split the profits that way.
So how did that kind of work out? Because I tell a lot of people that, like, if you come across a contract that you can't handle, just hire a bigger company or a more established company and let them do it for you. Take the low percent. So how did you work that deal out?
Well, just going through my Rolodex, I ended up talking to my pastor. He checks in with me frequently, and I just told him what I had going on. And he's like, hey, give this guy a call. And I actually called the guy's boss instead of him on accident. And I was so excited about having that proposal and lead. I was like, hey, I'll just give you this. I just want to learn how to do it. And then the guy, Antoine, who's actually my business partner now, broke it down for me and showed me what to do. And he's like, we'll pay you this portion, and then we'll take on this part, and then we'll just keep going together. And it's just been a perfect partnership all in the past month and a half, man.
Wow, that's what's up, man. So that first contract came from the initial 10 leads that you get with the starter kit. So
yeah,
you got 6
my very first one.
That's what's up, man. Wow. So but you got 10 accounts total. So, like, how did you get the rest of those accounts?
Just knocking on the doors, man. Just when you guys lock it in, I go in there and try my best to close the deal. You know, some of them, one didn't work out was they already had a cleaning establishment. They just kind of wanted to check their prices out. But just really knocking on doors and just networking, going through your phone book and be like, hey, this is what I got going on. And people will point you in the right direction when they see you doing something positive.
That's what's up, man. So, and that's facts, though. If you go in there and you being positive and you work your network, man. Work your pipeline, like Grant Cardone said, man. That's what's up. Okay, so now I remember in the group you posted when you had that first walkthrough and you were saying how nervous you were. And so I'm wondering, like, how did you overcome the nervousness? And then why do you think you still were able to close the deal even despite being nervous?
Well, just having experience in business, like as a personal trainer on the other side, you just have to kind of talk to them in a way that you're going to be the person. So I said, hey, when I start on Monday, this is what I'll be doing. This is some of the things I look at. And the videos you post, and it's the language that you use, I took that and just life experience in general, like pointing out certain things in the corner. Like, okay, we'll take care of that. You know, the dust test, you know, wipe this. Okay, the guy's not doing this. And I had no experience, but just finessing it, man. Like, this is how I want my house clean or establishment clean. And they just believed in me, man.
That's what's up, man. So now once you got the contracts, like, how did you know how to close the deal? You know what I mean? Like, how did you close the deal on those contracts? How do you know what to do?
Like I said, just business in general, you just, hey, this is what, like, I just say the start date and kind of like, I don't know how to, you know, the person that talks on your lead generation, they're very short and direct. Are you the head of contact? We're confirming this. You just take the guesswork out and just tell them, okay, this is what I'm doing. And you just sign a deal. And, you know, your calculator, all that stuff works if you know how to use it and you just come prepared with the documents that you present, the paperwork. That's going to take them out because the other person, you're waiting on emails. If you already have that stuff in general with you, you just sign it. And I got why we didn't talk yesterday, I have it's a cleaning company for what do you call it? A video game place down in 2 cities away. But it's just because people mess up opportunities too, and I just come in sliding sometimes and just take the opportunities from people that's not doing well, and just they want to hire you, they want you.
Facts. Okay, now, what about the cleaning part of it? Like, how did you know how to clean once you got the contract?
Honestly, I didn't know how to clean,
Right.
so it would take me time. Like, and I was like trying to be a perfectionist, and then it's like, you know what? I don't know how to do this. Let me get somebody who do know how to do this. And so I can slowly position myself out and just put people in the right position. And this whole thing been a blessing. My dad know how to clean. My dad's a 2-time felon. At the same time, he's not working. I was able to give him a job. So it's just like, when you create something, you can put people who already know how to do it. You don't have to know how to do this.
Right. And so that was the next question I was going to ask you. Like, how did you find your first employee?
I used to work at a nonprofit, and the nonprofit was giving guys jobs who were freshly out of jail and prison. And I kind of learned the game of they're paying them $15 for minimum wage out here. And I just knew a guy that was young. He was hungry. I'm like, I already got his contact. I just text him, like, hey, I got an opportunity for you. And you can I'll put you in position, just wait, and I'll get you more jobs. But I just need you to just do one job for me. And I learned how, like, to pay him $2 over the minimum wage just to keep him happy.
Right. That's what's up. So when you bid, and like, how does that go into play? So basically, you got to make sure that you bid high enough so that you can make profit, basically.
Yeah. And then also, I'm not afraid to, take some money out of my own pocket and just match it. We want that account because it might lead to more accounts. You might take a low paying account and it will just you can keep bubbling up. So I'm not afraid to go in my pocket and be like, hey, I'll give you some more money on this back end, but let's get this bid. And you take that rate, and then I'll give you some more money.
Facts. Okay.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.